Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is 3 in 1. Your dream home, Airbnb or long-term rental. All three benefits can be achieved from this modern design split-level house. Located in Abbey Gardens, a developed area of Mandeville that is situated just 5 minutes drive outside the town center of Mandeville and off the major thoroughfare of which the new toll road will join. This is an opportunity that we are imploring the new age homeowners to grab with both hands. Impeccable architectural design with most of the features of a modern upscale house. The middle and upper floor is designed for the owners to live in style with enclosed double carport, open entrance foyer, large living and dining that is enhanced by a large well-appointed kitchen, 5 spacious ensuite bedrooms, a powder room, and a washroom. The lower floor consists of 3 ensuite bedrooms, kitchen, dining, living, and a large open area that consists of another bathroom. This open area can be converted into a gym or a one-bedroom studio. The land area of this house is approximately 13,531 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.